We stayed in Katherine, Northern Territory for 3 days, taking in a small handful of her top natural attractions, including the Katherine Gorge, or Nitmiluk, Edith Falls, Cutta Cutta Caves, and the hot springs.
I'm not one to sit on the fence, but...
Nitmiluk National Park is best known for its towering gorges cut by the Katherine River over time. The park's information centre has an excellent display about the park. There is a cafe with tables overlooking the Katherine River, a small gift shop, and of course toilet facilities. Although the park features walking trails, canoeing, swimming and fishing, we have arrived just after the Northern Australian wet season.
Anywhere from about December through to late March or early April, we'll get about 1,000 mm rain or 40 inches.
As a result, a great many walking trails and canoeing are yet to be opened. However, the river itself is still flowing well, and we decide to take the 3 Gorge boat tour. The boat tour takes 4 hours and includes a visit to the lily pond for a swim. Between each of the gorges, we stepped out of our boat, walking an easy distance over well-formed paths to again board another boat. All 3 boats were comfortable, shady, with a toilet available and drinking water should you wish to top up your bottle. The commentary from the tour guide is informative and sprinkled with a good sense of humour. You receive a snack pack on the 3 Gorge boat tour, and we certainly had no complaints. For me, the most enjoyable part of this tour was its leisurely pace, giving us time to take in the natural beauty and that the long waterfall at the lily pond was still flowing. We saw a freshwater crocodile and thoroughly enjoyed the stories from our guides. The tour is not cheap, but I'm happy to recommend it. Leanne climbed the Gorge Lookout and was very impressed with the spectacular view. Her only recommendation was to ensure you consider the time of day you make the climb. The daily temperatures are also still hot at this time of the year, so being sun smart and hydrated is very important. I hope I've pronounced this correctly, but it's Leelin, or Edith Falls, is also located on the northern end of the Nitmiluk National Park and an easy 60 kilometres drive from Katherine. Again, the end of the northern wet season has the lower pool closed due to saltwater crocodiles being still able to access the area. Leanne and I took on the Leelin Edith Falls walk, choosing the 2 kilometre return leg. We really didn't think it through, and in hindsight should have picked a better time of the day. Right here, Leanne and I, we've done 200 metres. However, the swim in the upper pool to experience the falls and Territory sunset made up for it. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Check out the episode on our walk. Cutta Cutta Cave was now open for the season, and we took the 11 a.m. tour. The caves are approximately 30 kilometres south of Katherine and easy access off the Stuart Highway. With only 4 guided tours a day and a maximum of 30 people per tour, it's probably best to book ahead. You can book at the Katherine Information Centre, and it cost us $35 per adult. The limestone cave system is uniquely tropical, with a temperature reaching 35 degrees towards the end of the tour. We were treated to stalactites and stalagmites, some glistening bejewelled in the light and bats flying above us in the shadows. No snakes to be seen, but Elvis did make an appearance. Well, what did you think of Cutta Cutta Caves?
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, it's good, wasn't it?
I'd rather go underground than through.
Then what?
I'd rather go underground than through a canyon.
Oh, I see. So at the moment the Cutta Cutta Caves are, I think, about $35 a head for a 1-hour tour. Certainly well worth the money. The guides were excellent, quite informative, lots of geological formations to see, including the odd rare one. Yeah. Thumbs up, Cutta Cutta Caves. one?
The road just keeps going and going
Oh,
and goes off into the distance. There's nowhere to turn around. It's just high grass either side.
The 3.8 here.
It's rated.
Yeah.
I want to go to
8 days ago someone camped here, there was no road noises or...
I want to give it 1 star.
yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm ready to camp here.
How's your pan this morning?
Oh yeah, I got the black out of it.
We'll call it the night of burning, because that's exactly what it was. Don't flip that one.
Black
Okay.
and gold pancake mix. I reckon it's the best. Puffs up a little bit more.
Nothing better than a puffier pancake, eh?
That's it. IGA, yeah.
Oh, yum, yum. Oh, look. Oh,
Look,
hold
coffee
you.
going everywhere.
That's so professional.
The pancake secret is if you mix the golden syrup with the honey, it gets sickly sweet.
The following morning, we all decided to give the, well, excuse me, I'm probably going to get this pronunciation wrong. Narwhal Bin walk a go. Are we ready? No, we're not ready.
You are here. The Newland Binny walk.
Definitely a level 4, with the paths well defined going up the base of the escarpment and coming down. How pretty is that one? The Aboriginal art was there for us to check out. Again, a beautiful walk to take. At least we got this far.
It's grade 4, all right, isn't it? More like grade 6.
Yeah, I reckon.
That bit just there, yeah.
Yeah.
Life in your hands, get around that corner.
Surely that's not the track.
I think you're probably supposed to be more this way. It's just so overgrown.
Yeah. High five. We did it.
In our next episode, we cross into Western Australia, but not before. We watch a bushfire consume our ridge next to our free camp. And we settle into Kununurra to find those Eastern Kimberley treasures.
If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Press the like button and leave a comment.